Hi everyone, welcome back to the clock shop. Today we have a pretty rare movement here with a very rare dial. This is a Hermle 1171-850S. It's 114 centimeters. But look at all this extra attachment here for these dancers. It's a triple chime. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's sitting here running. It's been running for hours. It chimes and it does everything it's supposed to do. I'm going to run through a couple versions of it, excuse me. And as it strikes, sorry, I got a cuckoo clock going off too. Anyway, as it chimes, the dancers spin. It's really pretty cool. I'll get you around this side here. And of course, at the hour, it chimes and it strikes. Anyway, during the hour, I can get back around here and show you the dancers. And I'm sure it looks and is a lot cooler when it's actually playing on the chime bars. But I do want to show it striking. And the hour's not on the right hand, but that's not literally, we just pulled it out of the box. I don't believe this is new old stock. I believe it was in a case and it was taken out of the case. We found some destroyed cases in this clock shop, so but as I said, it hasn't had much use. And as I said, I have not done anything to it. I just put it on the stand, put weights on it, and put a pendulum on it, and this is what it's doing. Anyway, it's been running for about 5 hours. I don't want to know if you can really get a when we put the listing on eBay, you'll get a better sense of the pictures. There's little scenes painted on it, German towns and villages. Anyway, the weights do not come with, but you can order them separately. They will be listed on eBay. The pendulum is one of my test pendulums. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will, as soon as it's posted, we'll link it here in this video. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more videos here. We had a little hiatus because we opened our new clock shop. You can see the new lighting and everything. But anyway, please subscribe and come back and see us. We'll see you next time.